Here you can see the animal's feathers are just tattered. This is the worst example, of course, but even these other ones here, you see that the feather pieces have come off of the main stem of the feather, which indicates that they are kept dirty, they're crowded, their feathers are breaking, and this would be very unnatural. It certainly indicates poor husbandry and not at all a natural state for ducks to be in.
A lot of the birds that we saw almost appear that they're off balance. They're tipping forward, struggling to walk.
They are struggling to walk. Their bodies are so huge, their livers have become so swollen that it is displacing their limbs, their legs, so that they cannot stand and bear weight under them as they were supposed to do if they were properly aligned. And again, we see the very tattered feathers, the filth of these animals, and the tattered, destroyed feathers, which prevents them from being waterproof. Normally ducks would be preening themselves. It's a very essential part of their behavioral repertoire. It helps to keep their feathers waterproofed. And you'll notice that this is a very damp environment, so these animals are getting soaked, and that of course increases their spread of their bacterial and their fungal infections, which are found very commonly upon necropsy.
So here was another example of a dead duck that we found in a pen with live animals.
Well, this is a common finding in the 3rd and 4th week of production. The animals become so ill between their pneumonia, their liver failure. It's also, in a sense, cruel to the other flock mates because ducks are a very social species and they bond with their flocks, and to be trapped with a dead fellow flock member is a psychological stressor for the birds.